Hello dear students, here exercise question 5.4 is given from states of matter. The question is, at 0 degree Celsius, the density of a certain oxide of a gas at 2 bar is same as that of dinitrogen at 5 bar. What is the molecular mass of the oxide? Means, first of all, we have to note it down the given information in the question. According to the question, temperature is given 0 degree Celsius means 273 Kelvin. Density of a certain oxide, that is D oxide, is equal to density of nitrogen, but here the pressure is different. Density of oxide at pressure P oxide is equal to 2 bar, and density of dinitrogen Pn2 at 5 bar. Another information, the dinitrogen molecular mass, we know molecular mass Mn2 is equal to 28 gram per mole. In the question it is asking molecular mass of oxide, what will be? As we know, pressure is equal to RTD upon M. When we write this equation in terms of the density, then we get that D density is equal to M molecular mass into pressure divided by R. This is our equation which has the relation of density with molar mass, pressure, universal gas constant and temperature. So now we will write density of oxide is equal to molar mass or molecular mass of oxide into pressure of oxide and divided by RT. Density of nitrogen will equal to molar mass of or molecular mass of nitrogen into pressure of nitrogen divided by RT. According to the question, density of oxide is equal to density of nitrogen. So we can write density of oxide is equal to density of nitrogen. Then we will get the relation M oxide into P oxide divided by RT is equal to molar mass of dinitrogen or molecular mass and pressure of dinitrogen divided by RT. Now see the equations. So RT will cancel out, and here we can write this equation in terms of the molecular mass of oxide is equal to molar or molecular mass of nitrogen into pressure of nitrogen divided by pressure of oxide. So now put the value of each variables. Then Mn2, as we know, 28 gram per mole. So here write 28 gram per mole into pressure of dinitrogen 5 bar divided by pressure of oxide is 2 bar. So now bar cancel, 2 14 ja 28 and 14 5 ja 70. So here we get the 70 gram per. So this is the molar or molecular mass of oxide. Thank you, dear student.